So what we have here is the new C premium glass protection, and this is how it comes within the box. We're gonna go and apply it to my phone and showcase you also how it looks. This is the 9H, which is basically the tempered glass is the one that you're basically looking at the phone, but people cannot see you. So within the box, or they cannot see what's in there depending on the angle that they're at. This is why we bought it. And as you see here, in the packages, it comes with everything. It comes with the wipes, which is very nice, which we do have here. And then it comes with 3 tempered glass. So let's go and install one and showcase you how to do it. So as we see here, the first procedures is to go and utilize the wet wipes. The wet wipe number 1 is going to be the wet wipes. The wipes number 2, it is going to be the dry wipe, the one that helps you dry your phone after you utilize the wet wipe. So everything comes within the packaging, which is really good. And let's go and place it on it and see how it works. So super easy, being already a wet wipes, it comes on the package itself. And as we said, if you do make any mistakes, you have 3 covers in one package, which is the best thing. It allows you to not be scared to only utilize one. So we go and clean the screen of the phone very nicely on all corners. Then we can leave it like this, a little bit wet. And then we have the wipe number 2. This one is the dry wipe, which will allow you to go and dry your phone from the wet wipes and utilizing it like a cloth. So really nice. Don't worry about it. Open the package, don't be sensible as I was, and then go and simply wipe it just like it's happening right here. So as you see, first of all, the phone is already cleaner, already nicer to look at, and make sure that you go and clean it without leaving any dust. So, wipe it, blow it, remove everything, reutilize the wet wipes if you have to, but make sure that there is no dust on it, so there is no formation of bubble within it. And once you've done it all nicely, don't also put your fingers on the screen in the meantime. Once you've done it, simply go and implement this one right here. So go and take the glass out as we're doing right now, and go and implement it on the top right here. So corner for corners, as we see, go and put it very easily like here. Make sure that the bubble, the top circle, is in line with the camera, which is absolutely amazing and would be the best idea. And once you set it up, simply go and press it and take away all of those air bubbles right there. So go from side A to side B, take away the bubbles, make sure to push them to the edge, and you are good to go. And this is how you apply it. It's very straightforward. Just make sure that all corners are in the same one. Utilize the circle for the camera as a measurement to have it, let's say, centered, for so to say. And we go and clean. This is a 9H in terms of duration and durability, strengthened for the camera, so really good. And as you see here, the colors are just like before, and as soon as I tilt it, the people are not able to see what there is on the screen anymore, or they see it less. Of course, the less brightness you have on the phone, the less people will see. The more brightness you have, the more people will see, but it works just like that, super nice. And the color is... This is the installed version, and as you see, this is what you see from the screen. It's not darker for you, it's not a problem. The nice thing is that, as you see here, you can see it from here, potentially from here, you already not seeing anything. And also for myself, from here, I see it, if this is the how I see it. And then if you go and turn it like this, I already don't see the screen. So people that are at this angle for me, they will not see the screen anymore. So super happy, it works good, the color are nice. Would I suggest it? Absolutely yes.